Hi guys, in this video I'm going to cover about the worksheet. It is very important to understand because most of the time we are spending on worksheet. So let's dive into that. So I also cover some of the part in our previous videos, but this is more detail I'm going to cover here. So in the Snowflake, we have a two kind of he the databases and the worksheet, right? So you can see we have a multiple worksheet present here, and some are outside the folder, some are inside the your folder, all everything. So so this is the databases as I explained earlier video. This is account data. This database is the account your system databases that hold all the information of the snowflakes and those things. I'm not going to cover in this in these video, but however, if you're interested, so please ping me, and I will explain you. I will create another video for covering about the system databases. So, and one more main point I forgot in the earlier video. Let's say, as I said, whenever you set up, whenever you activate your account, so you will see the data is coming automatically. Let's say if the data is not it's not came automatically. So when you run this command, the database will be create automatically. So I'm not running right now because the database is already present for me. So let's leave. If you are activating your account and if you're not able to find the databases, so please ping me and on the comment section. So I will I will provide you this information as a response. So moving back to our worksheet. So this is the worksheet you can see here, and this is the map. It's organized. You can, if you want to create a new worksheet, you have capability to create a worksheet on SQL worksheet, Python worksheet. You can create your folder. Let's say I'm going to create one folder to organize because the structure you will follow all the structure. So this is I'm creating new worksheet. So let's put any name. So I'm creating the name of the first folder, and I'm going to create it. So this my folder is created. It's nothing is present in the work in my um, in that, but however we will definitely will move our stuff into that into the folder. So So this is our worksheet here. So let's say I want to move whatever we have created here. I want to move this um, this worksheet into the folder what we have created. So you just click this three dots and just move into the folder. So it move the folder with what we have created, and this one also if I want to move, so I can move into this folder. And let's say this is the whenever you create any kind of worksheet, it come as the date and some kind of timestamp. So if you want to rename, you need to just rename the date, rename the worksheet like that. So so this the day you can see the how can you rename your worksheet. And separation, this is a separation. If you want to run any kind of query, you can run. You just select the query and just, if the two way we already discussed, one is running from here, or if you want use your keyword, the keyword is control and enter. So you can just hit the button, control and enter. It will execute the query. So I'm running the two query. So the its result is coming. So it came the result. So this is the how it the worksheet look like, and how can you work with the worksheet. Moving back to here, the roles and the warehouses. So what is the warehouses in the snowflakes? To running any kind of query, compute power, you need the compute power. So so the warehouse are responsible to execute and computing the query and those things. It's cost whenever you are running, when it is you paid for that. We will discuss these things, billing and the paid. You're going to pay for billings and everything. We'll discuss in the next videos. But these are the roles you can see here. Currently, this is our account, so I'm the account admin, public, and the security read only user. So in the organization, it depend what kind of role you are working. So based on that, organization is decide to give the role accordingly. If you want to read only, so you can see the read only user in the role. So you can only execute the queries and everything to read as a read purpose. If you are an account admin, you can do account related work and everything. We will going to cover this the role part in the further video. And that's it for now, about the worksheet and about the role and the basic information about the compute warehouses. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please do subscribe, like, hit the like button, and thank you so much.